this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. You can see on the screen property location and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 1. See on the screen details like room size, bed type, view, amenities, facilities, and reviews, etc. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So let's begin the video. When you with a new property, be safe, be happy.